Yo, so Gabriel got this pet. Yo, check it out.
I felt a little.
Alexa,
I felt a little some kind of way because Mylynh got her dog for the shop.
right?
So now I figured out we should go ahead and get Larry. All right, Larry.
You guys seen this? Hey, Larry, always drive Larry. Always drive Larry.
Larry actually came from a Civic Si, it's an EP3, but we already know how those EP3s are. So I guess I got him for
Larry.
Larry, say peace out.
What's up, man?
Let's not forget that you have a right-hand drive. What up, man?
What's up?
Nice lake.
Yeah. Next time you see it, it'll be all
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord.
between everything. It's like almost all done. All we need to do is look at the few lines. How you been, man?
I'm good, man.
Yeah.
Hanging out, working, DJ,
Yeah. You do it for the radio station.
Yeah, I do it for everything. It's the radio station, private events, club gigs. These are like, what wheels are these?
Yeah, it's cord, right?
The CO7 Type R wheels.
Yeah, yeah. CL7. It's not like a
Accord, I think it
yeah,
is.
cord, yeah.
The Euro Accord.
Another E-K.
Another one.
Another one, that's it. Oh, I'll pay you too.
Let's do it.
Nice.
Yep.
Okay. Did you get it running?
Nope, not running. So I just have the just the motor in there.
That's all we need.
Yep.
We could do the dry shaft. And
Motor trainees in there. Because that's what I figured. Because just the drive shaft is the most important and
yeah,
stuff.
exactly. Yeah,
Make sure it's straight.
It's definitely fun playing with the tilt of the motor to get the
T-Racket.
Yeah.
No, what you do is you take it off and you put the motor in, and then when it's in there, you just put it on.
Yeah, we didn't do it that way. That would have been a lot easier.
Another one.
Yeah, but as soon as she gets back, she's gonna be running pretty quick. Because literally everything's just. Cause I took everything off to go get painted because I don't know if you remember, my shut towers were destroyed.
I know.
So I took it off.
Yeah.
So they redid my shut towers and stuff like that. So like that.
Oh, I see.
Because I didn't want to put all that nice stuff in here and then have shitty shut towers.
They got everything already.
Yeah, he picked this up back in October, and then he was just waiting for a slot for him to bring the car in for installation.
Okay.
And he's finally able to bring it in.
I went there just for that and he was already there. So I was like,
My hair's all over the place. You guys know that Muppet? With this all in here?
We're booked until...
Listen, my barber's gonna get mad at me if I don't go see him very soon.
We are booked until June, guys. So if you want a slot, you want to reserve a space or spot or whatever.
It'll be 2023.
First come, first serve. We're literally, for the installation only, we're booked until the end of June already so far. So it's been crazy. A good thing though, of course.
Yeah, good thing.
because remember, I took
Yep.
this probably
When I
Green hatch is inside. This thing's getting, it works.
Oh, hey, how's it going? So, this customer purchased all this stuff, and then he realized he wanted us to do it, so he brought it all back, and he just got the Delta 7, the Alpha arms, and some billet forks, and we're gonna do the whole rear end for him, and I believe the drive shaft as well.
Yeah,
and
the drive shaft is here.
And then, yeah, and then he's gonna finish up the car. So we're just gonna do our products on this green hatch over here.
And then they're gonna pick it up. So clean.
All right, so what we're doing now on this car is we're getting the sleeves aligned so that we can go ahead and get the height set. And then after we get that done, we're gonna go ahead and put the trailing arms on.
Nice. Then start working on that rear diff mount.
Yeah, after we do this, then we're gonna work on the rear diff mount from there. So
okay, cool.
Just trying to get everything knocked out in segments.
Sweet, nice. Yo, you see you want your thing done right. You see you want your things done right. And the real deal is, you know. You good? What's up? What's up, bro? You good? How you doing? Chilling, man. Lines up. Chad doesn't. He doesn't need markers. He just knows that.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Mylynh here with S1Built. Today I received a special. Hey guys, Mylynh here with S1Built. Today I received a special package from Awd Motor LLC. They sent me this for my Ek Hatch Eddy. It's a set of OEM style headlights. It looks like it's a very nice product. You can also find these on Amazon as well. Once again, it's by Awd Motors LLC. And be on the lookout for the installation of these headlights in our next video. Thank you guys.
Yeah, little still.
Already got the diff up. This customer doesn't, inside got painted, so we're just gonna kind of work around it. It's gonna be a tight fit, bang it in a little bit. Doesn't want it cut. Of course, he has a Delta 7. We're doing some camera kits right now. Next, we're gonna do some toe kits. And he's gonna get the Alpha 6. It's coming. Making those arms old school way, that's how we keep it. Yep. All your cars get literally made, handmade here at S1, like handmade. Yo, guess what we have today? Who in the house?
Oh, here. That's what we got. We got a little gift. For, so, let me tell you a little story, like a little backstory. So, we want to do this car here. One, we were down in Daytona eating breakfast one morning and happened to see him there. And, like, we went up to go pay for it, but he's like, oh, it was taken care of. So, he paid for breakfast. And
nice.
I was like, man, you know, that was pretty nice of him. Real sweet. So we're like, you know what? Since his car here now, we want to return a favor. So we're gonna put this on his car. Check it out. And also, we also have another surprise.
Oh, yo, we have new employee
right there.
Hey. Yo, he just got here and he's already employee of the year.
no, we're just trying to get this done in like 5 minutes.
We got up everything already. Look at that. Trying to waste no time.
Yep. Delta 7, Alpha, arms.
Arms.
He's got lower control arm, camber, and toe. He did the whole S1 kit and caboodle, right? Is that what you call it?
Yes.
Yes.
Quirks and features.
Yep, billet forks, BC coil. So we're getting his whole rear wrapped up, and then the customer, just ignore that. Then the customer is gonna come pick it up. We're just back halving the car, and we're also going to put his drive shaft in.
Up.
So yeah, we're waiting for axles to get in from just parts store axles for this car, and his diff is already locked with our clutch locking plates.
The top is up.
Yeah, top welded. Is up, welded, ready to go.
Yep.
Ready bolted in. We're keeping it stainless. He didn't want the trunk cover plate and stuff like that, so we just did a little bit of banging and kind of some notching for the frame. But yeah, you guys will see it shortly in the end of the video. The drive shaft and everything will be up.
And then that's a wrap. This one came in and it's already out. We got Gabriel at the controls.
So as you can see, we have the drive shaft just mocked up here. We got everything mounted. What we're doing is we made a couple of plates to go all the way around.
Some thin plates.
Yeah, just some thin plates so that we could weld those in. They're tacked in place right now. what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through and just mark everything out where we want to drill for our nuts to be countersinked. Then we'll drill those out, weld the nuts in countersinked into that plate, and then that way you'll be able to just bolt carrier bearings in place.
Yep. Fellas, we've seen these already ripped out with riv nuts before, so better safe than sorry. They got that 3-inch upgrade, as you can tell. Billet carabiner brackets. It's coming together. This should be picked up today, right?
Yep, we'll be done with it today, and customer should be here this afternoon.
All right, cool.
So we got the hole drilled out here. As you can see, what we're going to do is we're going to take these nuts and we're going to countersink them. These nuts.
That's one nut, bro.
No, these nuts. See? These nuts.
Oh, you got two. Okay,
we got two. We're going to countersink them. See, we got 1 hole, 2 holes. So we're going to countersink both of
Check it out, guys.
Tack them in place and then weld all the way around. And then once we get done with that, we can just use the Allen head bolts and then just tighten them right into the carrier bearing bracket.
With the camera bracket. Sweet.
Yep.
Okay, bro.
Nice and snug. Nice and snug.
Nice and snug.
Go ahead and throw a nice little layer. Little web.
As you can see, we got the all-wheel drive kit finished up here on the EK hatchback. So what we did on this one was our Delta 7 diff mount with Alpha 6 arms, along with our billet lower control arms, camber kit, and tow kit. We also have a CRV diff with our clutch locking plates that we completed, and a fully upgraded Land Rover Freelander drive shaft, 3-inch tubing, 1310 joints.
You guys saw this earlier. Mike was knocking it out.
Yep. So we have our billet carrier bearing brackets, upgraded carrier bearings as well in this one. So we got everything complete now. You know, just went through, as we talked about before, welded these additional plates in for support, and then went ahead and bolted in the nuts to the top portion here. We welded everything else in there, as you can see, and now you can just quickly remove the carrier bearing brackets just with the Allen head. Nice. So everything's bolted up, secured, ready to go.
Yep.
And
another one
out.
Sweet. All right, guys, another EK hatch in. Like and subscribe. One love.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.
Them wheels are always gripping,
don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game, S1 always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple-digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation, watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. All-wheel gripping, 4-wheel gripping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.
them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.
Them wheels are always gripping,
don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we roaring down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20 MR2 and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that camcorder that's S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons. S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got them Honda skeletons.
Them wheels are always
we'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping.